Dr. Philemon Mateke orukwebembera ekibiina kya National Resistance Movement omu district ya Kisoro omu busaasi bwingi nagira ngu omuhara Sarah Mateke akaza omu by'obutegyeki bwayama y'okushanga ishe ari omu mbeera nizo zimwe.
There was no grooming her. When you see the environment in which she lived, she was pro-people, could not antagonize anybody. That was not his nature. She was a committed member. But for me, first I was a peace. So when you came from the bush, I was my classmate, schoolmate. Not schoolmate, but contemporary.
Bamwe aha bebembezi ba Kisoro baheruka ko baferirwe manzi.
Eno fine obusasi munonga nka district ya Kisoro na munonga kuferwa emba witu wa NRM kandi ubirere minister witu
kufa kwa Sarah muri wa Kisoro yona yafukirira onkanyo nisima president wamutoranye muri binji akamuherezo bwa minister tibwa minister kushabwe yakora Sarah akabona Tony Clark wa Kisoro yakora jabafumbira Kisoro municipality yitu tuje kutunga municipality ka Tony Council akaba ryamani ga Sarah n'abandi bakozi.
Stand to condole to the family of Honorable Dr. Philemon Mateke for the loss of the daughter, Honorable Minister Sarah Mateke, who was a pillar in the council of Kisoro district.
Abantu bashaba President Museveni ngo yaba naronda ba minister ekyanga kya Kisoro agaruka kirongore ace minister ndijo.
Museveni cyo kwanza no kumusima abwo bw'isije bwabitiramuhire akamuga minister wa state for children and youth and children kandi imirimo yabirakoze bimunonga ya urishafo kayizire president yare bakaryo umukozi wa mani yamubwa minister wa defense turukushaka Kisoro ubwo tubire twinabebembeza abandi turukushaka president Museveni ngo iyo opportunity tubire twine atuyambe ataje twihaho aronde ondijo muntu muri Kisoro yaba MP nango ndijo muntu.
I was of the view that President Museveni, in his own wisdom, which he has and enough of it, if it was a quota system of having a representative in his cabinet when they sit every Monday, he can think about someone from Kisoro and becomes a minister of whatever ministry that there can, as long as he comes from or she comes from Kisoro. And that we can always also feel that in the Parliament of Uganda someone is representing us.
Sarah Mateke nyirabahitsi akazarwe 2015 kwa mshanjuru kumurwe na shanjunena kandi aferira ha myaka 50 y'obukuru organizer kwinamira mu kanso ya Kisoro harwa kashaturwe sandere kwija kandi aziko muri Nyakabingo Kisoro harwa kana gasha kwa Job namanya na Keta tuzarirwe omuri Kisoro.